5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could completely change the way you earn, save, and grow money? Imagine having your own personal financial advisor, available 24/7, who never sleeps, never gets tired, and keeps finding new ways to grow your wealth. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already happening. Welcome back to SmartWealth AI, where we explore how technology can help you live smarter, wealthier, and better. Introduction. In today's video, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming money management. We'll cover how AI helps with budgeting, saving, investing, business growth, and even protecting your finances. Whether you're a student trying to save a few dollars or a professional looking to grow investments, this video is packed with insights that could literally change the way you think about money. So, stick with me until the end, because I'll also share some powerful AI tools you can start using right now to manage your money smarter in 2025. Section 1, AI as your money manager. Traditionally, if you wanted financial advice, you'd hire an expert, maybe a wealth manager or financial advisor. But let's be honest, not everyone can afford that. This is where AI steps in. AI-driven apps can now analyze your income, spending habits, and savings goals. For example, tools like Clio or Plum track your spending, point out where you're wasting money, and automatically set aside savings, all without you lifting a finger. Think of it as having a money coach in your pocket. The best part? These tools don't get tired, don't judge your decisions, and keep learning from your habits to get smarter over time. Section 2, Smarter Saving with AI. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start saving next month, and then next month never comes? Don't worry, we've all been there. iApps fix this problem by automating your savings. They calculate how much you can afford to save after your bills and expenses, and transfer that money into a savings account automatically. Some even invested into low-risk funds so your money grows instead of sitting idle. Imagine waking up 1 year from now and realizing you've saved thousands of dollars without even noticing. That's the power of AI-driven automation. Section 3, AI in investing, the game changer. Here's where it gets really exciting. Investing was once seen as something only the rich or Wall Street experts could do. But AI is democratizing investing for everyone. AI trading bots and robo-advisors are capable of analyzing massive amounts of market data in seconds, something no human can do. They look for patterns, predict risks, and suggest the best investments for your goals. For example, platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment use AI to recommend personalized portfolios. Some advanced AIs can even rebalance your portfolio automatically to keep your investments on track. Now, to be clear, AI doesn't guarantee profits, but it does give you an edge by reducing emotional decisions. Instead of panic selling when markets crash, AI focuses on logic and data. Section 4, AI for business and side hustles. AI isn't just for personal finance. If you run a business or even a side hustle, AI tools can massively boost your income. Marketing. AI can create ad campaigns, analyze customer behavior, and even write persuasive sales copy. Customer service. Chatbots powered by AI can handle questions, bookings, and support 24/7. Productivity. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft emails, brainstorm ideas, or even create full business plans. Think about it. The same technology that Fortune 500 companies are using is now available to you, often for free or at a very low cost. Section 5, AI and financial protection. We all know money doesn't just grow, it also needs protection. AI is now playing a huge role in detecting fraud and securing your accounts. Banks already use AI to flag suspicious transactions, but newer apps go even further. They warn you if you're overspending, predict upcoming bills, and protect your identity online. For example, AI-powered credit monitoring services can alert you instantly if someone tries to open a bank account in your name. This means fewer financial risks and more peace of mind. Section 6, the future of AI in wealth building. So what's next? In the coming years, we'll see AI become even more personalized. Imagine an AI that knows your life goals, like buying a house, traveling, or retiring early, and constantly works behind the scenes to make it happen. We're talking about an AI financial partner that doesn't just help you save money, but actively finds opportunities to grow your wealth. Whether through smarter investments, tax optimization, or even negotiating better deals on your bills. It's like having a financial dream team working for you, but without paying thousands of dollars in fees. Call to action, what you can do today. Now you might be wondering, this all sounds amazing, but where do I start? Here are 3 simple steps you can take today. 1. Download a trusted AI money app, something that tracks your spending and saves automatically. 2. Experiment with robo-advisors, even if it's just with a small amount of money. 3. Learn one AI tool for business or productivity, because increasing income is just as important as saving. Remember, AI is not replacing you, it's empowering you. Those who start using it early will have a massive advantage in the years to come. Conclusion. So there you have it. AI isn't just about robots or futuristic tech. It's about practical tools you can use right now to save smarter, invest better, and protect your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to SmartWealth AI, and turn on the notification bell, because we'll be sharing more tips, tools, and strategies to help you master wealth in the age of AI. And now I'd love to hear from you. What's the first thing you'd want AI to help you with? Saving, investing, or making more money? Drop your answer in the comments below. Until next time, remember, smart choices today, AI-powered wealth tomorrow.